Hi guys, Miss Evans here. We're going to talk today about integers, all four operations. Funny fact, this is take 6 or 7 of this video, so let's see how we do. Alright, let's start with adding integers. My favorite, because we have this fun little song that we can remember. I will spare you singing the song, but I will read it. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the highest number, then you'll be exact. If we take a look at these, here's some examples over here. If you want to pause the video and solve those and then check your answers, you can. Otherwise, I'll walk you through them. The first one, these are different signs. So it says if we have different signs, we subtract. Keep the sign of the higher number. We're talking the absolute value. So the higher number absolute value-wise would be 9. So that means our answer would be -3. Next one, these are same signs. It says here, same signs. We're going to add and keep the sign. So we're going to add 6 plus 19. We're going to keep the negative sign. It's just going to give us -25. Next one, 13 and -7. Those are different signs, so we will subtract. 13 is our highest number, so we know our answer will be +6. Subtracting integers, we have 2 different things we could use here. They really mean the same thing. Different teachers teach different things to memorize. We have keep, change, or we have add the opposite of the second number. Both of those mean the same thing. So I've taken the problems here and I've went ahead and rewritten them. It is really important when you are beginning to subtract integers that you are rewriting the problem. So I have -9 minus 6. I'm going to keep the -9. I'm going to change this to an addition sign, and then I'm going to change this to a -6. Now I have my addition problem here, and I'm going to go back to my addition rules. Same signs, I'm going to add and keep. So my answer is -15. Here we add the opposite of the second number, which means we never change the first number. We always change the subtraction sign to a plus sign. And then we take the opposite of -19. In this case, it's +19. Again, we now use our addition rules. So these are different signs. So we all subtract. Our answer is 13. Last one here, keep the 13. Change this to an addition sign. Always take the opposite of -7. Now we have a nice and easy problem. 13 plus 7 is 20. All right. Multiplying and dividing are actually the 2 easiest operations, thanks to our friend Mr. Drowsy Man. All right, so if we are looking at these are all multiplication problems. If we have a -9 and we have a +6, I always recommend you take something now and you cover up one of the subtraction signs because we have a -9. We have a +6, so I'm going to cover up this positive sign here. If I cover up both of these 2 numbers, I'm now left with a negative, so we know our answer is going to be negative, and we simply multiply. 54. If you want to pause now and solve these other 2, if you don't, that's fine. Negative and a negative, so I would cover both of those up, which leaves me with the positive sign uncovered. Gives me a -24. I have a positive and a negative, so I would cover again my positive and a negative, which leaves me with my negative uncovered, and that's a -21. All right, lastly, we have dividing. The best thing about dividing is it's the same rules as multiplying. Again, we use Mr. Drowsy Man. So we have a negative and a negative. If I cover both of those up, it leaves me with a +3. We have a negative and a positive. Cover the negative, cover the positive. It's going to leave me with a -6. We have a +14 and a -7. So again, we're going to cover our negative and our positive, which is going to leave us with a -2. Yay, I made it through the video without messing up or anyone interrupting. Thanks for watching.